What if I told you that you could save $10,000 in just 30 days? Yes, it sounds impossible, but with the right strategies and mindset, it's entirely achievable. In this video, I'll show you proven methods that can help you reach that goal. From cutting expenses to boosting your income and automating your savings, I'll walk you through every single step. If you're ready to take control of your finances and achieve that big savings milestone, keep watching until the end. Before we dive into the strategies, let's discuss what this challenge is all about. The 30-day challenge is a structured plan designed to help you save $10,000 within a month. It's a combination of cutting unnecessary expenses, increasing your income, and building better financial habits. This challenge is not only about saving, but also developing a disciplined mindset toward money. Why 30 days? Because it's a short enough period to stay motivated, but long enough to make significant progress. Are you ready to change your financial future? Let's get started. The first step towards saving $10,000 in 30 days is to set a crystal clear goal. Without a concrete target, your efforts will be scattered and ineffective. Write down your $10,000 goal. Break it into smaller, manageable daily and weekly savings targets. For example, $10,000 divided by 30 days is approximately $334 per day. Dividing it further into weekly milestones makes it even more achievable. Setting a specific, measurable, and time-bound goal gives you something tangible to work towards and helps you stay focused throughout the challenge. Once you've established your target, it's time to align your actions with your goals. Write down why you want to save this money. Is it to pay off debt, make a big purchase, or build a financial cushion? Understanding your why adds emotional weight to your goals and makes you less likely to abandon them halfway. Visualize your success. Imagine yourself achieving that $10,000 target. This positive reinforcement will drive you to push through difficult days when motivation is low. Now that you have your goal and your why, it's time to build a system to track your progress. Create a savings tracker or use a budgeting app to monitor your daily and weekly milestones. Consistently measuring your progress keeps you accountable and helps you make necessary adjustments. Remember, it's not just about setting the goal, but actively working towards it every single day. Make it visual, make it tangible, and watch as your savings grow.
The next crucial step is tracking your spending. You can't save money effectively without knowing where it's going. For the next 30 days, write down every expense, no matter how small. Use budgeting apps or even a simple spreadsheet. Categorize your expenses into essentials and non-essentials. This will help you identify areas to cut costs and redirect that money towards your savings goal. Now that you've tracked your expenses, it's time to eliminate unnecessary spending. This is where many people struggle. Look closely at your expenses and identify those daily luxuries you can do without for 30 days. For example, cutting back on dining out, streaming services, or impulse shopping can significantly boost your savings. Remember, this challenge is only for 30 days. Sacrifices now will lead to massive rewards later. Another effective way to cut expenses is by negotiating your bills. Call your service providers and ask for better deals or discounts. You'd be surprised how many companies are willing to lower your rates to keep you as a customer. Additionally, look for alternatives to expensive habits. Make coffee at home instead of buying it every day, or find free entertainment options instead of costly subscriptions. These small changes can add up to hundreds of dollars saved by the end of the month. Cutting expenses is only part of the equation. To reach your $10,000 goal, you also need to increase your income. Think about what skills you have that you can monetize. Freelancing, tutoring, selling items you no longer need, or even taking on a part-time job can significantly boost your earnings. The internet offers countless opportunities for side hustles. From writing and graphic design to teaching languages online, there's something for everyone. If you have assets like a car or extra space in your home, consider renting them out for extra income. Platforms like Airbnb or ride-sharing services can generate significant money within a month. Additionally, don't forget about selling unused items. Decluttering your home and selling valuable but unnecessary things can easily add a few $100s to your savings goal. The key is to get creative and seize every opportunity. In today's digital world, monetizing your skills online can be a powerful way to boost your income. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to offer services ranging from graphic design, writing, coding, marketing, to even voiceovers. Think about what you are good at, whether it's designing logos, editing videos, writing blog posts, or even providing virtual assistants. Listing your services on these platforms can help you earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars during this 30-day challenge. Creating and selling digital products is another excellent income-boosting strategy. Think ebooks, online courses, or even templates. The best part: once created, digital products can be sold repeatedly without extra effort. Websites like Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy are great platforms to market your digital products. Identify a niche you are knowledgeable about, package your expertise into a product, and market it through social media. It's a fantastic way to create a passive income stream. Affiliate marketing is a smart way to generate extra income. It involves promoting products or services and earning a commission on each sale made through your unique link. Many companies offer affiliate programs, from Amazon to smaller niche brands. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or a strong social media presence, you can share affiliate links and earn from every successful sale. The key is to promote products that align with your audience's interests and provide value. If you have expertise in a specific field, consider offering consulting services. Whether it's business, marketing, career coaching, or fitness, there's always someone willing to pay for expert advice. Promote your services through social media, LinkedIn, or your personal website. Consulting sessions can be held via video calls, making it convenient and accessible. This strategy not only boosts your income, but also builds your reputation as an authority in your field. One powerful tool to help you save money is the 30-day rule. The idea is simple. Whenever you're tempted to make an unnecessary purchase, wait 30 days before deciding. This cooling-off period helps you avoid impulse purchases and gives you time to determine if you truly need the item. Often, you'll find that the urge to buy something fades over time. It's an effective way to curb impulsive spending and keep more money in your pocket. To make sure you're saving consistently, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account every week. This way, you don't have to rely on willpower alone. By making savings a default process, you're more likely to reach your goal. Additionally, using savings apps that round up your purchases and transfer the difference to your savings account can give you that extra push towards your $10,000 target. With all these strategies in place, it's essential to review your progress regularly. Set aside time each week to analyze your savings. Are you hitting your daily or weekly targets? If not, adjust your approach. Maybe you need to cut additional expenses or find another income stream. The key is to remain flexible and adaptable. If something isn't working, change it. Success requires persistence and a willingness to make adjustments as needed. Congratulations! By implementing these strategies, you are well on your way to saving $10,000 in 30 days. Remember, this challenge is about commitment and discipline. Celebrate your wins, however small, and keep pushing forward. The journey to financial success is not always easy, but it's incredibly rewarding. So, are you ready to start your 30-day challenge and save $10,000 fast? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more tips on building your financial future.